Have you ever thought about manifesting your dream home? What would that even mean? We talk about manifestation so much in general language everywhere, and I want to tell you that you can actually use it to manifest your dream home. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 ways to manifest your dream home. It's their desires in real estate, whether they want to buy a home or sell a home. That is my specialty. And if that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you click that button and subscribe to our channel and join our community. So let's get into how you can manifest your home. So first of all, the law of attraction states that whatever you put your energy on and you feel good about, you will attract into your life. So we need to focus on feeling good and visualizing and having some clarity. So step 1 is going to be clarity. Let's get super clear about purchasing a home and what kind of home. Take out your journal, write down everything that you want in a home, from the location to how many bedrooms, to the design of the home, to the backyard, to the kitchen, the colors, all as much detail as you can get into. Get super clear about this home so that you can start to bring a picture of it in your mind. This step is super important because it gives you clarity to start to visualize. It gives you a clear picture to keep and hold in your mind through this manifestation process. All right, step 2, visualize your house. So I love to go online and look at pictures of houses. And so maybe you start to create like a Pinterest board about that and use the clarity that you just got and start to really visualize this house. Now, I want you to go a little deeper than just the 4 walls that you're in. I want you to start to really feel what it's gonna be like to live in this home, right? We wanna be in the right energy of attracting this perfect house for you. So once you start to think about this home, you want to take some deep breaths and really clear yourself out and really feel good in a quiet place. Visualize this. Think about how you're going to feel. Are you going to be cooking for your family? Are you going to be entertaining? Are your kids going to grow up here? Are you going to have some quiet adult time in a downsizing house that is perfect for your golden years? Now try to set aside a few minutes every day to really visualize this and get into the feeling and the vibration of manifesting this home. This is the kind of energy that is going to call your house to you, because every house has an energetic match. And so we're calling that house into existence and attracting it to you. The process of buying a home can be kind of tedious and a little overwhelming. So you're really going to want to stay tuned into this really feel good vibration when everything feels like it's a little stressful. Okay, step 3, which is sometimes the hardest one, is recognizing your limiting beliefs around attracting and your dream house and manifesting your dream house, because we don't often even hear them. We just hear, and we don't even hear in our head things like, oh, that's not possible, or I can't afford it, or all kinds of different limiting beliefs. So number 1, don't get negative about them, but just start to notice them when you're having those limiting beliefs. They start to constrain your life and they take you out of that feeling good vibration that we want you to stay in. Some limiting beliefs that you may notice are, I'll never find my dream home. I can't afford my dream home. I'm never going to be able to find it. It's hard to find a good realtor that I can trust, that understands me. So all of these beliefs are backed by negative emotions, and we want to move away from that. So when they come into you, I want you to start to replace them with positive vibrations and positive affirmations. In fact, I'm going to link a list of positive affirmations to manifest your dream home below. And so that's step 4, repeating your positive affirmations. Write them down every day. That's a really great way to train your brain to bring in the positive energy that you want in your life. Recite these affirmations a couple of times a day. Things like, my dream home is waiting for me. I find a real estate agent who completely understands me and makes this process smooth. I can easily afford my dream house. Things like that to keep you in that good vibration. Okay, step 5. I think I said the other one was hard, but this is probably the hardest, is let the universe lead the way. So this takes patience, this takes trust, and this takes faith. It asks you to lean into the faith that it is going to happen. And I bet you that if you start this process and you look in a year, you're gonna find that you have a dream house, or you're pretty close to it. So this also takes surrendering. And I don't know about you, but I'm not a huge person in surrendering. I really like to work hard and manifest, but a lot of it is just getting into the energy keeping yourself positively aligned, and letting the universe unfold for you. When you're trying to force an outcome, it's like you're putting too much pressure on that. You need to let go and not be frantic. The universe is going to respond to frantic energy with more frantic, and it's going to respond with positive to positive. The biggest takeaway here is to simply sit back and trust after you've done the work of steps 1 through 4. And even though this may not manifest as quickly as you think, like it's not going to be tomorrow, start talking about it to other people. Start sharing your dreams. Reach out to a great realtor. Reach out to me. I'm happy to guide you through that.